Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at this brand new, beautiful, bright red 2020 GMC Denali Terrain. This vehicle is powered by the 2-liter turbocharged engine, made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission, and is all-wheel drive. Once inside the very luxurious Denali interior of the Terrain, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, and memory seating, power electronic tailgate as well, automatic headlights there, and our fog light button. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control, speak to talk, piloted from there. We do have our beautiful 8-inch touchscreen for your OnStar navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, push button ignition. We do have our climate controls and then our drivetrain controls there, all buttons now. We got our 4x4 management system here. We do have the trailering mode, lane keep assist, 4x4, 2-wheel drive. We do have heated and ventilated seats up front for the driver and passenger as well. Beautiful jet black leather interior, Bose audio system throughout. Beautiful Denali heated and vented luxury leather seats. Taking a look at the exterior of the Terrain Denali, we do have the 19-inch wheel and tire package with the Hankook Venus S1 Noble 2 tires on there. We got keyless entry, remote start, chrome package as well, door handles, the molding on the door down there, window or the rear view mirrors, all chrome. Roof rails up top as well, chrome. Coming to the rear of the vehicle, we do have LED headlights and LED tail lamps, dual chrome exhaust tips. We do have parking sensors front and rear, hands-free lift tailgate, as well as the hidden hitch feature. Just that center piece of plastic, remove that. You do have access to your tow hitch. Jumping in back into the interior here, we do have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are heated and both end seats are car seat ready. We do have the beautiful moon and sunroof opening up the cab of the vehicle up top, showing you the controls for the heated seats, USB ports there as well. Tons of room in the back of these Terrains, very luxurious and spacious. We got the trunk back here, quick fold down, one little lever, giving you access to your trunk there. Tons and tons of room. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video, this beautiful brand new 2020 GMC Terrain. If this is your next SUV, come down and see us here at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest, or shop online at gslgmcity.com.